I will break down how I can 10x your Instagram leads using one simple strategy. And even big Instagram accounts like Brock Johnson, Sean Cannell, and Copy Posse are not using this strategy. They are using DM automations, but they are not using this one strategy that can 10x the results they get from Instagram. So in this video, I will just grab one of their DM automations and use this one strategy to 10x their results. And as always, I will just give you the template for free so you can copy and paste it and don't have to build it yourself. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Joran and I'm the founder of Chatamize. And at Chatamize, we are inspiring over 80,000 people every month to create chat funnels that generate more leads, boost revenue, and reduce costs. And we are working with businesses from small to large and in any industry. So if you just follow the steps in this tutorial, it will work for your business as well. So here's the problem. What big Instagram accounts like Sean Cannell, Copy Posse, and Brock Johnson are doing is that they ask for engagement on their Instagram posts and reels. And when you comment on one of their posts or reels, or you reply to their stories, you actually get an automatic message in your Instagram DM. And this is fine, this is good, this is working really well. But in the Instagram DM, what they're doing is that they are sharing a link to their landing page. And that is where it goes wrong, because the average conversion rate of a landing page is 5%. So that means if 1,000 people come to your landing page, only 50 people will actually sign up for the thing that you are giving away. So instead of using a landing page to do this, you should actually convert your Instagram followers right in the DMs. And when I do that for my own clients, we see an average conversion rate of 50%. So that means that if 1,000 people enter the funnel, 500 people will actually sign up. And by changing from a landing page to a chat funnel, we can actually 10x the leads that you will get from Instagram. So in the rest of this video, I will grab one of the DM automations that Brock Johnson is currently using on his Instagram account, and I will turn it into a lead generation funnel. And just to be clear, I'm not working with Brock, I'm not hired by Brock to do this. I will just show you how you can basically grab any account and grab their current funnels and 10x the leads that they will be getting. Let's get started. So here's the post that we are going to improve. So here's a post about hooks on Instagram, and Brock asks you to comment hook for 25 hook ideas. And when you do that, you automatically get a message in your Instagram DM. And then in your Instagram DM, you can click on a button or click on a link, and that will actually go to this website. And then here on this website, you actually need to click on, yes, I want the free hooks, then fill in all of the information, and then you will actually get his 25 viral hook idea. So we want to improve this funnel by not using a landing page, but by building a lead generation funnel right into the DMs. And we are going to do that by using ManyChat. So ManyChat is the chat automation platform that I've been using for the last 4 years for almost all of my clients. And I use them because it's very easy to use, it is cheap, and it is 100% Meta approved, so we can use them without the risk of getting banned on Instagram. So if you want to get started with them, you can just go to chatamize.com/MC, and this will bring you directly to the ManyChat website. And in the description, I actually have a discount code that you can use to get the first month for free. So once you are here, you can just click on get started, then click on Instagram, and then you need to continue with your Facebook account. And I actually have a separate video on my YouTube channel that explains all the steps that you need to do to connect your Instagram account to ManyChat. So after you've watched this video, I highly recommend going to that video as well. So once you've signed up for ManyChat and connected it to your Instagram account, we can get started with building the lead generation funnel. So in ManyChat, you can just go to automation and then click on new automation, click on start from scratch. And each automation in ManyChat starts with a trigger. So here we can just click on new trigger, select Instagram, and then select user comments on your post or reel. So here I set it to all posts or reels, because then we can just create this automation once and use that in multiple posts and multiple reels. Then you can click on continue. So now we need to determine what will start the DM automation. So if we go back to the post from Brock, you will see that people need to comment hook. So we can just copy this, and then we can say they need to reply with hook. And I will also add huck, which is like a misspelling, but people often misspell on Instagram. So then we can click on continue. And then we can set up our public reply. And the public reply is actually an automatic reply in the comment section. And within this reply, you actually want to do two things. The first thing that you want to do is you actually want to excite people for the thing that they will be getting, which is like 25 viral hook ideas. And the other thing that you want to do is you want to tell them that they need to go to the Instagram DM. So that's what we're going to do here. So I'll just copy these from my second screen. So we can say, can't wait for you to get viral, just send you a DM. Let's go viral, check your DMs. And we can say, you're about to grab some attention on Instagram, please check your DMs. It can be in your message requests. So that is correct. Then we can click on save, and then that is working. So basically every time someone comments on any of your posts with hook, we automatically reply to that comment with a comment in the comment section. And now we can also automatically start a conversation with them in the Instagram DM. And to do that, we can basically select Instagram, and then you need to make sure that this first step is to send as a comment reply. And then within this first step, you actually want to confirm the interest that they have in this ebook. So we can just say, are you ready to stop people scrolling and grab attention on Instagram? With my top 25 viral hook ideas, you will get access to the best performing hooks I use to grow my Instagram account to over 700,000 followers. Just click the button below, and then we can add a quick reply. So the quick reply will be also an icon, because that improves the click rate. And then you can say, yes, send it over. So a quick reply in Instagram is actually a button where people can click on, and once they click on a button, they can go further in the conversation. So to do that, we can connect this quick reply to a next message. And in this next message, we will say, awesome, just a few quick steps to get you access. So the next step we want to do is actually collect information from users. And in order to do that, we are going to use the user input element. So in ManyChat, you have the user input element. So you can use that element to ask a question and store the answer in a ManyChat field. So to do that, we can just click here on user input. And then we can say, what is your first name? Just type in your first name below. And then we'll set the reply type to first name. And this will automatically be saved to a system field. And we will actually remove the skip button text so people cannot skip this question. So once someone has replied with their first name, we are going to do the next thing, and we are going to ask for their email. So here we can click again on the user input. We can just remove this one. And here we can ask, we can say, nice to meet you first name, and then ask, and to what email can I send my free guide? And it's also good to know that we can use the values of ManyChat in the automations. And in order to do that, you basically, what you normally need to do is you can type in a bracket, or you can just click here on the bracket, and then you can select the first name. So they've done that. We can ask, to what email can I send my free guide? Then we set the reply type to email. We will be using the system field. And then here again, we're going to remove that skip button text. So once someone has gave their email, what we actually can do is we can deliver the lead magnet that we promised to them. So we can say, that's it, first name. Can't wait for you to grow your Instagram account in 2024. Just click the button below to get instant access. And then here we can say viral hook ideas, which is a button. And we can make sure that when someone clicks on that button, we will open the website. So normally this would go to the ebook of Brock, but in this case, I would just let it go to my own website, because I'm not trying to give away his ebook for free without filling in the information and stuff. So we click on done. And then we can click on set live. And that is working. Now the automation is live. And as you can see, like, this is not something that's hard to do. You can basically set this up within a couple of minutes. So to show you how it works, I will actually go to my phone right now and show you how this complete lead generation funnel works on Instagram. So now I am on my Instagram account, and you need to imagine that this is Brock's account. So when I just grab one of my posts and then I comment on that post with our trigger, which is hook, then automatically we get a message in the Instagram DM. So it says, are you ready to stop people scrolling and grab attention on Instagram? Just click the button below to get instant access to my free guide. So then we click on yes, send it over. And it says, what is your first name? So I just type in my first name. Then it asks for my email. So we are doing the email. And it says, that's it, Joran, can't wait for you to grow your Instagram account in 2024. Just click the button below to get instant access. And then when you click on that button, that will actually go directly to Brock's ebook. And that's it. That's how you can basically 10x the leads that you get from Instagram using this one simple strategy. And even big Instagram accounts like Brock Johnson, Sean Cannell, and Copy Posse are not using this strategy. So that means that if you're using this strategy with your own Instagram account, you will have a competitive advantage over anyone else on Instagram. And this is just a very simple example of a funnel that you can create. But I actually have way more funnels. So for example, on my website, I have an advanced lead generation funnel where we build more trust with your audience and actually turn your Instagram followers into loyal buyers. And I also have a live webinar funnel where you can turn your Instagram followers into webinar attendees. So if you're interested in those, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description. And to get you started quickly, I also have the free template of this video with the link in the description as well. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And as always, if you have any questions on growing your Instagram account or creating your own Instagram chat funnels, please leave a comment below and I will reply as soon as possible.